Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, September 12th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down about 5.75 points to $2,117 a contract. Again, we are looking at a market that's a little on the weaker side. We had a pretty large sell-off on Friday. We'll see if we get a little spillover today. Very, very often when we sell off that sharply and finish down that much, we'll get what we call a pause day. So we'll see if that is the case as well. But either way, we have lots of stocks in the news. There's lots of global markets tumbling and rumbling. So there is definitely going to be some action out here. All right, looking at a stock here. First one we want to talk about today is going to be Potash. Potash is in a merger agreement with Agrium, so the stock is trading up a little bit. It closed at $16.97, now trading at $17.44. I think this is a merger of equals, so again, there's not that much of a premium, but there's a nice little pop. If you own Agrium, that's still sitting right at 95.21, not moving ahead of the open. So again, keep those both on the radar today. We could see some movement in some other ag stocks like Mosaic, maybe Monsanto. Keep an eye on CF Industries. Those are all potential movers on this deal. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll see what it gives us. But nonetheless, Potash is up just a little bit ahead of the opening bell. Next up on my radar here is going to be Perrigo, PRGO. It looks like Starboard took a 4% stake in the company. So again, this is getting a nice bid. It closed at $88.71. It's also at the low end of the chart and now trading at $92.15. So Perrigo catching a pretty good bid. I'm not sure it's going to get much above $94 today. So again, I see 94.25, 94.50 as some resistance if it does get there. So keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at PX, which is Praxair, and what you're going to see is they terminated their merger agreement with German firm Linde. So again, this stock is trading a little bit lower on that news, closed at 117.41, now trading at 115.45. So we'll see how that plays out today. But all in all, anytime you cancel a merger agreement, generally your stock is going to lose some air and you will see it go down. So we'll see how that plays out. Now, Mondays are not filled with a lot of market movers, but we do have a lot of upgrades and downgrades. Some notable upgrades today is going to be Walmart. Full and fair disclosure, I do own Walmart. We are looking also at Philip Morris, ticker symbol PM. They were upgraded as well, I believe, by Goldman Sachs this morning. Then some notable downgrades. You have Foot Locker on the downside. And you'll see that's trading at 64.40. Closed at 64.59. I think we have Reynolds, RAI, and that is trading at 47.15. And then we have Target being downgraded as well today, and that is trading at $68.30, closed at 69. So again, keep these on the radar today. We'll see how they play out, and we'll see where they go. Some notable European stocks are trading lower. Deutsche Bank getting hit today, trading down about 3%. Right now, the stock is off of its worst levels, but nonetheless, it is still down on the session. You also have RBS, which is Royal Bank of Scotland. That's trading down decently as well. Right now, trading at 5.27, closed at 5.42. So you're seeing the European bank stocks come under some pressure. Chinese ADRs also came under pressure last night, so you want to watch those. Could be some pretty good weakness out there, at least at the start of the day. So we'll see how that plays out. All right, let's shift gears here and go over to the gold market. We have gold futures trading down about $6 right now to $1,328 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you will see that is trading at 126.40. So GLD is under a little bit of pressure. Let's take a look next here at spot crude. Spot crude trading down 91 cents to $44.96 a barrel. It's a good move lower for crude. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you're going to see that this is trading at 10.38, closed at 10.59. So we have weaker oil, we have weaker gold, and we have overall a weaker market with the futures down about 5.5 points before the opening bell. I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Again, we had a great trading day on Friday. If you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are doing there. And again, we have volatility. We have lots of action. And that's what we'll be looking for today. So again, get ready. This looks like the volatility is back. These markets are starting to rev up again, up and down. There's movement all over the place, and that's where we make our money. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.